Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reset HP LaserJet MFP M28w. Option 1. Full reset to the factory settings. To do this, you need to make sure that your printer is powered on, this LED light should be lit, and now you need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button for about 15 to 20 seconds, and you need to wait for the power indicator and the warning indicator to start blinking together. Now power indicator is blinking, and both indicators are blinking. Now you can release the Wi-Fi button and your printer will be reset. It will make some sounds first. First it will be powered off. Wait for it. Like this. Now it makes some sound and it will be restarted and reset to the factory settings. Wait for it to stop making any sounds and continue using it, connected to your Wi-Fi networks from scratch and so on. Option 2. If you have Wi-Fi connection problems, try to do next. Make sure your printer is on and LCD display is also on. If the display is off, press the Wi-Fi button to enable the display, and now press and hold the power button until the warning indicator starts blinking orange. That's it. Now release the power button. Your printer will be powered off. Now you need to power it on manually, just like this. And then wait until it started. Wait until it stops making sounds. Then on your device, forget the printer's network, refresh Wi-Fi and try to connect from scratch. And that's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.